Everyone, this is hive number 33. It's a nuke, but it's a double nuke because I've took some frame from a diode hive and placed in other hives. So this is one. But also let's take a look from the top. And you're watching Honey Life TV and I'm Richado. So just gonna take a little peek. So that substance you see right there, that's pollen putty along with some food for the bees in those bags. Liquid food. So it's a supplement food. So that is actually sugar syrup to be frank. And the bees are using it because like you can see the bag has shrink a bit and they are eating up the pollen patty as well. So I think they will be good. So within a month or so, I'm looking to turn this hive, get another hive from this hive. Because there's a lot of marching right there. There's some strong bees. Do you think they are strong? Let's find out. I have other hives up here as well. Are they wasting the pollen patty? Maybe.